Hey, I did this story, Freedom Summer, and it's a second grade standard, and I really liked the book because it showed how two friends of different races were great friends, and I liked it because we don't always, second graders aren't always going to know what segregation is, and I feel like this is a good story to read them because you had a black child and a white child, and they were best friends, and sometimes, as teachers, we tell them all the bad stuff that happened, but this book shows that they are still best friends even though they were different races. And I feel like that's really good for kids to grasp, is even though they may be a different race than you can still be their best friend. And in the story, it talked about how they were separated from another. One couldn't go in the store like the other one could, and it just showed the differences. And I feel like that was a nicer way of putting it than what actually happened, especially explaining it to second graders. And so you could read this story like during Black History Month, or if you're trying to have students like learn about other cultures or something like that. So I feel like it was a really good story to read to kids that may not fully understand what segregation was, but to show them that you can still be friends with other people who are different races than you are. So, yeah.